Musamseleku and Samke, the child now is in 5 months. You understand it? Musamseleku, he is 50 years, guys. He is 50 years because, guys, in age of 50 years now, you are saying that you are enough to have children. You understand it? Guys, Mayeni, Macele, and Mangwabe, they don't want to have more kids with Musamseleko because Mangwabe, she have got 2 kids, Mayeni 3 kids, Macele 3 kids. You understand it? Because they don't want to suffer for themselves because Musamseleko, he wants more kids. That's why Musamseleko married Samke for he wants children, more children. And Musamseleko felt that Makumalo, she doesn't have a child with the Musamseleko. And that's why Musamseleko, he is continuing marrying other wives because Musamseleko wants 20 children. Sometimes he have to expect to accept those children, the number of the children God gives him, because some of other people, they don't have even one child. You understand? Because Musamseleko is in 50 years. Guys, that child, when that child is in 18 years, 20 years, Musamseleko is 70 years. You understand? It doesn't make any sense. Sometimes Musamseleko, we have got to accept those things because Musamseleko had a conversation with other wives, and Mayeni told him that they don't want the number 5. And now the number 5, those issues is destroying his family. It's not Samke. Samke is not the problem who is destroying Museleko's family. You understand? Because now those wives are not staying at Musumbe. You understand? They have got their own houses and they are going to divorce Musamseleko. I told you. Because now, guys, Mangwabe, we don't have to watch season 9 because season 9 is coming. You understand? Maybe next year, we don't know. But guys, Mangwabe, they are already divorced with Musamseleko. You understand it? Musamseleko, he had to avoid those dramas. Maybe he wants fame or he wants to trend on social media. But his family is falling apart. You understand it? His family is falling apart just because he wants to have content. You understand it? He wants drama because people want drama, guys. We want drama. But at end of the day, you are not healthy. You understand? Musamseleko was admitted at hospital just because of those dramas. Guys, especially Mayeni, sometimes you need to not to have to be selfish because sometimes that man, he is selfish sometimes.